A creator got 2.4 million views on a short, gained nearly 3,000 subscribers in a matter of days, and then uploaded a long-form video expecting everything to finally click, and it got 200 views. That's not an unlucky story. That's the most common story I hear from creators who go all in on shorts. The numbers go up, the subscribers come in, and the long-form channel stays completely dead. And they can't figure out why. Well, I'm going to show you exactly why that happens. Because it's not bad luck, it's not a bad video, it's a structural problem that YouTube's own system creates. And once you see it, you're going to understand why the fix has nothing to do with making better long-form content. So here's what actually happens when a short blows up. YouTube shows your short to a massive, broad audience, potentially millions of people across every country, every age group, every interest category. The algorithm for shorts is built for discovery. It throws content at people rapidly and measures who stops scrolling, fast and wide. When someone watches your short and hits subscribe, YouTube records that action. But here's what it does not record: whether that person has any interest in watching a 10-minute video from you. All it knows is that they stop scrolling on a 15-second clip. So now you have 3,000 new subscribers, and YouTube starts using those subscribers as part of their test audience when you upload a long-form video. When you upload a video, YouTube shows it to a sample of people who look like your existing audience and measures that response. Your existing audience now includes 3,000 people who subscribe because of a short. Those people are mobile first, short attention span viewers by definition. When YouTube shows them a 10-minute video, they don't watch it. They scroll past it, or they click and leave after 30 seconds. YouTube reads that signal: low click-through rate, low watch time, and low completion. And it makes the only logical decision it can make. This video is not performing, so let's pull back that distribution. Your long-form video is not bad. Your audience is just wrong for it. And you built that wrong audience yourself, one short at a time. Now, here's the part that makes this even more brutal. It's not just about the audience YouTube tests your video with, it's about the thumbnail and title signal that video sends before even anyone clicks. YouTube's system is looking at your title and thumbnail and asking what kind of person clicks on this. And then it cross-references that with the kind of person actually stays and watches this type of content on this channel. If those two things are misaligned, if your thumbnail promises one thing but your content delivers something different, the system reads that as a bad signal and pulls back on distribution. This is why you'll sometimes see a video get 800 views and completely flatline. And another video on a smaller channel with a worse thumbnail gets 50,000 views. Ever see that happen? I have. It's not luck, it's signal coherence. The second video sent a clear signal to a specific audience, and that audience responded in a way that told YouTube to keep going. Now, the other thing I want to mention here is on shorts, the title isn't as important as it is on a long form video. And if you're not understanding how a title works to get the algorithm's attention, that's something you definitely need to work on. And it's something that I've been studying now for years. It's what we call outlier titles. And these are very, very effective if you're trying to get long form videos to get more views. If you want to download a swipe file that I put together of 10 of my top outlier titles, just go ahead and comment hooks down below and I'll send it to you. Like I said, these are titles that are going to get attention from the algorithm, but also from your audience. And let me just mention, the right audience. Now, here's the part that makes this really, really painful. The more shorts you post, the worse it gets. Every short that performs well is pulling in more of the wrong subscriber type. And every new wrong subscriber makes your long form test audience slightly less qualified. There's also a second problem that almost nobody talks about. YouTube has started categorizing channels based on their primary format. If your channel's watch history is dominated by shorts views, meaning most of the watch time on your channel comes from shorts, YouTube's system begins to classify you as a shorts channel. And shorts channels get recommended differently than long form channels. They show up in the shorts feed. They get surfaced on mobile in a specific way. They do not get recommended in the home feed and the suggested feed the same way a long form channel does. So not only is your subscriber base wrong for the long form, your channel's identity in YouTube's system is starting to drift towards shorts, which means even the non-subscriber viewers who might have discovered your long form content through browse features are less likely to see it. You built a shorts channel inside what you wanted to be a long form channel, and YouTube is just reflecting that back to you. So what are creators actually doing wrong? Because this isn't just a strategy problem, it's 3 specific mistakes. Mistake number 1 is using shorts as a subscriber funnel. This is the most common advice you'll hear. Post shorts to grow your subscriber count fast, then convert them to long form viewers. It sounds logical, right? It doesn't work. Subscribers you earn through shorts are not interchangeable with subscribers you earn through long form. They came for different content. They have different viewing habits. Treating them as the same metric is what gets creators into the trap. Mistake number 2, posting shorts and long form on the same channel without a separation strategy. When your shorts and long form content live on the same channel with no clear signal to YouTube about which is primary, the algorithm averages them together. Your channel identity becomes muddy. YouTube doesn't know whether to recommend you in the shorts feed or the long form feed. So it does both half-heartedly and neither effectively. Mistake number 3, measuring short success by subscriber count. Subscribers from shorts are just a vanity metric for long form creators. The number that actually matters is how many of those subscribers watch your long form content. If you get 3,000 subscribers from shorts and 40 of them watch your long form videos, your effectively subscriber count for long form purpose is 40, not 3,000. Measuring success by subscriber count is what makes the trap invisible until it's already bad. Here's how you actually solve this. And I want to be honest, there's no overnight fix, but there is a clear path. Now, let me just say here before we continue, I am not a huge fan of putting your shorts on the same channel. I think they should be separate, but I'll give you what you can do if you did want to keep those together. Fix number 1, treat shorts as a reach tool, not a funnel. If you're going to keep posting shorts, they need a different purpose than subscriber growth. Use them for reach and brand awareness. Stop putting calls to action on your shorts that say subscribe for more. That subscriber is not helping you. Instead, use shorts to direct people to a specific long form video. You could say something like watch the full breakdown in the link in the bio. You're not trying to get them to subscribe. You're trying to get a qualified long form viewer to click through. Fix number 2, build your long form audience separately and deliberately. The only subscribers that help your long form channel are people who found you through long form content and chose to subscribe because of it. Those people have already demonstrated they'll watch a 10-minute video from you. They are worth 10 times a short subscriber for your channel health. Focus your growth energy on getting more of those people through search, through suggested, through collaborations with other long form creators. Fix number 3, if you're deep in the trap, go dark on shorts for 6 to 8 weeks. I know that sounds drastic, but here's the math. Every short you post while you're trying to rebuild your long form signal is adding more wrong audience noise to your channel data. Stopping shorts gives your long form content a cleaner test audience. The shorts views will drop, the subscriber growth will slow, but your long form distribution will start to recover because YouTube is no longer averaging all the shorts engagement when it decides who to show your videos to. This is the same principle as the dead channel recovery. You're not chasing views, you're rebuilding your signal. And sometimes rebuilding that signal means removing the noise first. Shorts are not a growth strategy for long form creators. They are a reach tool. And reach without the right audience is just noise. The creators who make shorts work alongside long form, and there are so many who do it well. Treat them as a completely separate product and a lot of times a separate channel. They're using shorts to stay visible while their long form channel does the real work for building a qualified audience. If you've been posting shorts and wondering why your long form channel won't move no matter how good the content gets, now you know it's not the content. It's the audience that content is being tested against. And that audience is fixable. Stop feeding the wrong audience, start building the right one. And the next video that you should watch is the one I made about how to reset your channel when the audience has already gone wrong. Go watch that video next, and I'll see you there.